Today I'm going to talk about what are the signs that you can think if you see in your child, you should consider taking speech therapy. If your child is not showing any eye contact or is not showing attention when anybody is talking to them, then it's a sign that the child might require speech therapy because it's important for speech development. The second thing may be the child hasn't started speaking real words even by 18 months of age. Suppose the first word should generally come by 12 months of age. Until 18 months also, if the child is not saying a real word, suppose if the child is looking at mama, pointing to mama and saying the word mama is the real word. Even if at 18 months the child is not saying the first real word of saying mama, papa, up, go, even the child is not using, then it's a sign that the child should get speech therapy. The third sign can be that the child is having very poor command following, or rather the child does not follow anything. You say go there, come, stop, sit, give me the bottle, give me, take it. If such things, simple things also, if the child is not following, that means the child needs speech therapy because the child's understanding is not growing. If the understanding does not grow, the speech will not come. The fourth thing that you should see is that some words have picked up by the child. The child often starts saying mummy, papa, but the child's vocabulary is not growing. With age, everyday vocabulary or the number of words should increase. If the child has very limited number of words, even that's not increasing, that means that the child needs speech therapy. The fifth and the final thing that you should see in the child is the child doing lots of actions along with words. Lots of actions, because sometimes these actions can be predictor for very good language even in the later stages. So even if your child is not doing any actions or any gestures along with the limited words that he has, that means that the child is not picking up language, thereby the child requires speech therapy. So if you see any of these signs, do consult your speech pathologist because early intervention is the best intervention. Thank you.